Oh hey, my name is Dani. I'm a dental hygienist here at Austin Dental Spa. Today I'm going to go over what to expect at a routine dental cleaning. First, I'm going to take your blood pressure, then go over your medical history. No pressure, we just want to make sure you're healthy, or if there's anything that we need to know or go in more depth about, we'll do it then. Then, depending, I may take X-rays. We take X-rays to check for cavities, check for bone levels, and check for overall health of the teeth. Then we're going to check your gum health. We do this by measuring where your tooth and your gum meet, and basically it tells us how healthy everything is. And at that point, we decide what kind of cleaning you need. Then the best part happens. Then we clean your teeth. We use hand scaling and a cavitron. A cavitron may sound scary, but what it is, it uses ultrasonic vibrations to help clean underneath the gums, get everything really healthy, and it's really awesome. Then during all of this, the doctor will come in. They will come in to check anything that I see, check anything that you're concerned about, kind of check the overall health of everything. Then the best part during all of this, you get a cool pillow, you get a warm pillow, you get a complimentary hand or foot massage during it. It's really awesome, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you.